Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Autogage series by Autometer, which is perfect for performance on a budget. This line from Autometer has more options with the 3 3/4-inch shift light tachometers. The look and size of these are versatile for different builds, plus you're still getting a high quality output unlike other budget gauges on the market. These tachometers feature through dial illumination with either a black or silver face reading 0 to 10,000 RPM. Even though this is more on the budget-friendly side of things, Autometer knows performance, and these gauges are still a quality instrument for racing as well as street applications. Autogage is compatible with most 4, 6, and 8-cylinder engines and 12 and 16-volt systems. As far as installation goes, we rate this a 2 out of 10, and it'll take you about an hour. The wiring is pretty straightforward, but the difficulty varies based on where you're installing it in the vehicle. If you're not super comfortable with wiring, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. The Autogage by Autometer has a 12-month limited warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Autogage series by Autometer. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Parts Pro in the Garage.